Welcome to Eye Candy. In this week's video, we're going to be working on a 2016 GMC Yukon Denali. So stay tuned. And this repair is very minor. It got hit in the rear bumper, and so there's some modules in there. The bumper harness was bad, and basically the bumper was unrepairable. So we ended up getting an OEM new front bumper and all the modules and the harness and that different stuff. Other than that, is pretty straightforward, small job. The biggest challenge to this job is the fact that it was a 3-stage white. So I went ahead and took a camera reading and did a spray out letdown panel to get my color as close as I can. The color is really close. You know, bumpers never seem to match 100%, but I think it's very close and it's definitely good enough. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoy the video and stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. And Otherwise, have a good weekend, and we'll catch you on the next one.